cleanest knock job
you've ever seen?
I've ever seen.
Who tied it?
I don't know.
Oh. Hey friends, it's Connie and Luke, and Luke's making coffee. I started it, but we're trying to make it iced coffee. And today is Sunday. We had breakfast. We watched church online. It's kind of nice. We've been able to watch our home church, even though we've missed being able to go to Spanish church here. We were like building good relationships there and learning Spanish, at least listening and understanding a lot more Spanish than going for the short couple weeks that we went. But we did watch online church, and we have some people coming tomorrow to pick up a bunch of stuff that we sold. So like a table, like our main table, our desk that's over here, and I don't know, a bunch of things. So we're actually gonna take today, and we're gonna take down all of our bins and suitcases, which we would have thought, we definitely didn't think we'd be doing it this soon. Kind of doing some packing, but because we're losing surfaces like tables and stuff in our house, we're gonna literally use the tops of some of our bins as a table to hold things. Because these things that we had were like vital. We bought them pretty soon. Can I see it? This shelf and stuff with all my camera and electronic equipment on it. And then my desk that I was kind of using, but not really, because in my whole life I've never had a good desk chair. And it happened again here. I was using an outdoor chair to try to be my desk chair, and I don't know, it just wasn't the most comfortable place to work. So I worked there a little bit, but I got carpal tunnel and my back hurt and everything, so I just would end up working from bed on stuff. So I have that holding stuff right now, and then, so yeah, we're gonna take down these bins. That's gonna be the first thing. And we're actually having to rethink some things that we planned on taking back with us, especially clothes. I might make a whole separate vlog on going through our clothes and stuff, like cleaning out our closets basically, because we're gonna be taking back a lot less stuff than we planned, I think. Because we packed up a bin already full of wintry clothes. I mean, it doesn't really get wintry here, but we had some long sleeve stuff and some jackets and stuff that we packed up back in, I think, March or April or maybe even February or something. To take back, we were just gonna take one bin back when we went back in May, and then obviously that didn't happen, so now we have to pretty much go through all of it again and really pare down our clothes. And even as we clear off tables and desks and stuff, we have to, and shelves, we're gonna be figuring out what is actually worth taking and what we'll end up either selling, but we're getting to the point where we're probably gonna end up giving some things away in the end, either to Hondurans or missionaries. But I mean, yeah. So that's what we're up to. So I will show you some of that stuff next. It is super hot. Like, I don't know what it is about this country and Sundays, but it takes Sunday to a whole another level. It is hot. And we don't complain about heat very much, very badly. But we have no AC, so I brought in another fan and trying to keep the airflow going in here, but it's toasty. So when we travel, you have to take your electronics, I mean, at least things with a lithium battery and stuff, in your carry-on, and I actually don't really like my electronics to be outside of my sight anyway. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and pack up this whole shelf and put it into my carry-on. We also have a budget GoPro thing that we were trying to sell, but I don't know if anyone's gonna buy it. So I'm gonna pack that for now, and then right down here. I mean, my side of the roof. Everything's dirty right now, so dirty. But we're moving. So I have the drone also, and then we're also gonna be taking our laptops. We're probably gonna try to squish those into our own personal items, but so that's what we're gonna do next. Okay. Oh man, there's a lot less room in here once you get going.
Gene?
Oh my gosh.
Gosh, though, the struggle is for real right now.
Having Luke test out the cords, some of them don't even work anymore. And I was too prepared coming here, I think. And I don't know, we're trying not to be too throwaway mentality, but for a lot of things, we're like, we can get that back in the States. But we weren't sure what all we could get here, so we went overboard a little bit. Well, we didn't buy things to come, we just brought things we already had. So, but now we're having to limit space a lot more. And this, I'm just gonna trap. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. So the amount of dust on things, like, I don't know, we leave our windows open for airflow because it's so hot and we have no AC, and just, man, during dry season for sure, the amount of dust that is on our floors, all over our shelves, and there's things, you know, I haven't touched in here in a while, but even some things I've touched like just in the last 2 weeks ago, and they're so dusty, like they're dusty to the point where it honestly looks like I haven't touched them in years. It just gives me the heebie-jeebies. Bothers my skin.
It's weird. I don't like it.
So we bought these knockoff headphones, and every single one of them, I think except for one pair, about 4 pairs, every single one, the right ear stopped working. So the left ear still works, so it's tempting to keep them, but I can't do it. I hold on to stuff way too much, so goodbye. So this carry-on bag is packed for the most part. I'm probably going to put down some like scarves or something. I don't know, I'll probably reconfigure it too when it's time for us to actually pack to go, because we always have to take things out that have a lithium battery like separately, so we're gonna have to dig right now to get down to the drone and I think the GoPro, but I feel like they've let us through with that before. But when we moved here, we had our bag packed like this with a ton of cords in it, and it got flagged by security and we had to wait around for them to look through every single thing. So it's probably gonna happen again, because I've gone through before and said, is it fine if I leave my camera in, my like DSLR, and they say yeah, and then the next time you go through and they're like, take your camera out, like that you're dumb when you've literally asked security before if you can leave it in. So, and you've gone through it fine. So it's just all different depending on who you go to, I swear. But luckily, going out from Honduras, their security is not that strict. But when we came here, we got flagged at the Orlando airport. So hopefully it'll go smooth, especially because things are so crazy. But so yeah, this is packed for now. This is my other Canon camera, and I'm probably gonna keep my nicer camera on me, like in my bag. But we'll see when it comes. We're gonna keep packing. So now we're in the homeschool room, and I also taught English in here, and we're gonna clean off this one, and probably gonna clean off all the walls. But this is what the person bought. Gonna give a lot of this stuff away for free probably, but let's get moving. So we've decided, this is kind of how we did it last time, but because carry-on's weight doesn't matter, we're throwing all of our books in there, and probably, maybe we're gonna continue packing. I don't know why, we're just feeling like packing today, but it's gonna take us forever. We're probably gonna have to cut this vlog into 2 parts or something somehow. But yeah, so I literally just picked up like our wedding anniversary books and stuff, and I wiped it on me, and look at the dust. Look at how dusty they are. I'm telling you, the dust is insane. But next we're gonna pack up all of our baskets. So everything Honduran we're taking. So baskets, we bought that like little Mayan art that has the artisan's name on it.
Yeah.
That's cute, Obed. And that's cute. We're gonna take anything Honduran that we can. It's probably gonna get its own bin because that's the priority here. We're really going to take everything else we can get in the States. Most things, like this big basket. There's a basket down there, there's baskets there. I mean, we have baskets all around the house. So we're gonna be trying our absolute best to take our baskets. Tons in the kitchen that we're using, but we're kind of at the point of just, we really need to pack to figure out how much space we're gonna have. And then we can keep continuing to figure out how much space we have that we can take stuff back. So we're better off living off the floor, stuff on the floor and off the counters and stuff. So we'll film us packing up our Honduran stuff. Space. We are gonna take our hammock, which we were already trying to figure out how to do because, I mean, this is the good stuff right here. This is people come to Honduras to get a good hammock. So I think we're gonna be able to squish it into that same container, that same bin we have other, like the baskets and blankets and stuff in. So that'll be officially our Honduran fully bin. So I think it's gonna fit. We might have to take all of this out again and then put the hammock in the bottom, but the weight is not feeling overweight right now. The hammock might bring it just about to weight. But then after that, we only have to worry about clothes and any like personal items that we want to bring back. But other than that, basically like nothing else is coming back. Just clothes and shoes. But yeah, so this is our special bin. What are you doing?
Oh yeah, this is what you buy a truck for.
Isn't that convenient? I don't think we had the truck when you put it up, so it was a lot harder than this. We're not gonna be able to hang in our hammock anymore, but hopefully we'll be leaving in hopefully the next 30 days, and we're not gonna be stuck here with nothing for super long.
This is the jankiest knot job
You've ever seen?
I've ever seen.
Who tied it?
I don't know.
Oh.
Just kidding.
So I've forgotten a basket, of course. But I got it to fit. But look at that. It fits. Now, the moment of truth. He's going to weigh it.
Oh yeah.
What you got?
30 pounds.
We got 10 more pounds that we can fit in there, and we probably will. If it squishes, if it fits, it sits.
Yep.
Every pound counts when it comes to Spirit Airlines.
Yes.
Every pound counts. We be hot, we be sweaty, we're thirsty. Not the best choice of drink is coffee, but we're ready for some iced coffee now. Well deserved. Okay, so I think I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. We got a lot of stuff done, a lot more than I expected to get done. This is all the homeschool stuff down. I did not think that my fun tack, my sticky tack, was gonna ruin these walls so bad, but dang, these walls be weak. I don't know, I'm gonna have to figure out a way possibly to take all the sticky tack down, but even if you get it off really well, it literally takes the paint off. That paint be weak. I hate the red paint anyway, so whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna wrap it up. We got a lot done. We packed. I wasn't expecting to pack. I mean, we've been kind of wanting to. We still have some things to clean up, and we have to clean off this mess of a bed that we have created so that we can actually sleep tonight. But yeah, so probably the next vlog will be doing clothing packing, paring down and packing. We have a lot more space now than we were expecting. It pays to be a minimalist, I swear it does. So yeah, we're gonna pack, and that should be, we're ready. There's hearing rumors of flights, so we might be out sooner than later, but maybe not, who knows? What? Oh, he sneezed. So thank you so much for tuning in and watching, and be sure if you like this video, give it a like, leave us a comment below any thoughts or questions or comments that you have, and we will see you guys all later. Be sure to subscribe too for more videos coming, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on Instagram. Go follow us at Tony and Luke, okay? Bye. Here goes our tables. We're here to pick them up. TV's going. Benches are going.